Assalamu Alaikum, kids. Today we're going to learn how to do wudu. Step 1 is say Bismillah. Before you start, say Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Step 2 is wash your hands. Wash both hands up to the wrists 3 times. Step 3 is rinse your mouth. Take water in your right hand, put it in your mouth, swirl it around, and spit it out. Do this 3 times. Step 4 is clean your nose. Sniff a little water into your nose with your right hand and blow it out with your left hand. Do this 3 times. Step 5 is wash your face. Wash your face 3 times, from your hairline to your chin and from one ear to the other. Step 6 is wash your arms. Wash your right arm, from your fingers to your elbow 3 times, then wash your left arm 3 times. Step 7 is wipe your head. Wet your hands and wipe your head 1 time from front to back and back to front. Step 8 is wipe your ears. Use your wet fingers to clean inside and behind your ears 1 time. Step 9 is wash your feet. Wash your right foot up to the ankles 3 times, then your left foot 3 times. All done. You have finished your wudu. Now you are ready to pray.